Humanity stands at a pivotal evolutionary crossroads, facing vibrational splitting, a cosmic divergence where souls separate based on energetic readiness for Earth's next chapter. This exploration delves into the implications for ascension and consciousness as we prepare for a profound shift in human experience. Vibrational divergence. Theory reveals humanity's shared yet polarized vibrational field. Our thoughts, actions, and awareness shape our vibrational paths, leading to consciousness separating into evolutionary trajectories. This cosmic divergence reflects our vibrational readiness, influencing how we perceive and experience reality. As we prepare for higher frequencies, signs of vibrational preparation become evident, indicating readiness for Earth's next chapter. Heightened sensitivity and expanded perception signal vibrational preparation. Time distortions and disinterest in density suggest readiness for higher frequencies. Physical symptoms often manifest as energy realignments, indicating the body's preparation for ascension. These signs reflect a deeper alignment with the vibrational shifts necessary for human evolution and consciousness expansion. Our physical bodies are transforming at a cellular level to accommodate higher frequencies. DNA activation unlocks extrasensory abilities, elevating consciousness. The body can either hinder or facilitate ascension, making health choices profound spiritual decisions. This transformation is crucial for participating in vibrational splitting, as it directly impacts our ability to sustain higher frequencies. Belief systems act as filters, shaping our perception of reality and limiting vibrational growth. Rigid beliefs create energetic blockages, hindering multidimensional perception. The mind becomes either a bridge or barrier to higher consciousness. Flexibility in beliefs is crucial for adapting to accelerating vibrational changes, enabling access to higher dimensional experiences. Humanity exists across a spectrum of vibrational frequencies, creating a widening gap that complicates communication. Higher frequencies appear incomprehensible to those at lower levels, reflecting a cosmic divergence. This vibrational spectrum isn't random but mirrors soul agreements and evolutionary readiness, challenging relationships and shared realities as the frequency gap expands. Society's fractures mirror vibrational lines, not just political divides. Communication falters as frequency groups struggle to understand each other. Systems destabilize, unable to adapt to diverging frequencies. This isn't mere dysfunction but a cosmic sorting process, preparing humanity for divergent evolutionary paths. The vibrational gap widens, challenging our shared reality and societal structures. World events aren't random chaos but reflect vibrational splitting. Systems collapse as they can't bridge frequency gaps, while truth revelations accelerate as higher frequencies make concealment difficult. This cosmic sorting process is reshaping our reality, preparing humanity for divergent evolutionary paths. Timeline shifts and reality bubbles arise as frequency resonance changes, leading humanity to experience different realities. These bubbles cause perceptual differences in events, reflecting a cosmic sorting process. As frequency gaps widen, shared reality becomes challenging, with some seeing divine order and others chaos, highlighting the profound implications of vibrational splitting. Dimensional schism creates profound perceptual differences. Higher dimensional awareness perceives time as simultaneous and sees energy patterns, while third-dimensional consciousness remains unaware of these abilities. This schism reflects a larger cosmic process, as Earth undergoes a splitting process, creating multiple versions resonating at different frequencies, with ascended Earth vibrating at fifth-dimensional consciousness. Earth is undergoing a vibrational splitting, creating multiple versions resonating at different frequencies. Ascended Earth vibrates at fifth-dimensional consciousness, offering a new reality for those prepared. Transitional Earth acts as a bridge for awakening souls, while density Earth remains for those needing further experiences. This cosmic divergence reflects humanity's evolutionary readiness. Physical symptoms of ascension, often unexplained by conventional medicine, signal the body's vibrational recalibration. These manifestations, like fatigue or ringing in the ears, are not pathologies but markers of energy realignment. Understanding this transforms suffering into meaningful transition markers, preparing the body to sustain higher frequencies essential for ascension. Emotional purification is crucial for ascension, involving the release of incompatible frequency patterns. By consciously witnessing and transmuting these energies, we increase our vibrational capacity. This process integrates wisdom, creating a stable foundation for higher consciousness. As we purify, we prepare for the vibrational splitting, aligning with Earth's next evolutionary chapter. Vibrational splitting challenges us ethically. Is it spiritual elitism or a call for compassion? Some see it as a divide, others as a chance for service. Recognizing divine timing in soul journeys offers a balanced view, urging us to embrace compassion over judgment as we navigate this cosmic evolution. Preparing your light body is crucial for vibrational ascension. It connects consciousness to higher dimensions, acting as a vehicle for navigating these realms. Practices like meditation and sound healing accelerate activation, transforming everyday health choices into profound spiritual decisions. This preparation is essential as vibrational splitting accelerates, enabling us to exist in higher frequency realities. Dimensional shifting manifests through time anomalies and reality glitches, signaling consciousness accessing parallel realities. Vivid multidimensional dreams are previews of greater perceptual shifts. These experiences indicate our evolving ability to perceive beyond conventional reality, preparing us for the vibrational splitting that challenges relationships as frequency gaps widen. Vibrational splitting challenges relationships as frequency gaps widen. Compassion and boundaries are essential during relational restructuring. Finding your soul tribe based on frequency alignment becomes crucial. As we navigate these shifts, relationships may deepen or dissolve, reflecting our energetic paths. This realignment is not a failure but a necessary evolution, preparing us for new connections and experiences. Maintaining stability during vibrational shifts is crucial. Grounding practices like connecting with earth energies help stabilize higher frequencies. Energy protection and mental discipline are essential for navigating between worlds. A resonant community offers support and validation, ensuring we remain anchored as we explore new dimensions of consciousness. Resonating with vibrational splitting signifies a soul's agreement to participate in cosmic evolution. As way showers, frequency anchors, or bridges, we embrace our purpose, maintaining the highest frequency to aid humanity's evolution. Our awareness isn't random. It reflects our role in this cosmic drama, creating pathways for others as humanity divides along evolutionary trajectories.